Now that the temperatures are starting to cool down, it's all about hydration. I'll share my wash day regimen to restore moisture using these 4 products from the main choice. With my hair dampened, I'll start by cleansing my hair with the Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Shampoo. This shampoo is great for hydrating and restoring moisture. It also helps to remove any type of product buildup. I start at the roots, massaging with my fingertips to remove any type of product buildup. Then I work the shampoo down to my ends. I like taking smaller sections to finger detangle. With the slippage that the shampoo offers, it really makes this process so simple. And it also cuts down the time that it takes for me to complete my wash day regimen. As you can see, as I'm dividing my hair into smaller sections, I'm massaging at the roots and then finger detangling down to the ends. I repeat this process twice to make sure that I've removed all of the product buildup from my scalp and that my hair is nice and detangled. Now it's time to deep condition my hair using the Deep Strengthening and Restorative Mask Treatment. I like using a generous amount and kind of dividing my hair in half. It doesn't have to be neat, but it makes it easier for application. I massage at the roots and then take a smaller section to massage the product in. I want to make sure that all of my hair strands are completely coated with the product. I like to start at the ends and just finger detangle and massage the product in thoroughly. Once the product is applied and massaged in thoroughly, I'm just going to install a twist and move to the next section. And I'll just repeat these steps for the remainder of my hair. With all of my hair covered with the mask treatment and my twist installed, I'm just going to put a shower cap on and let it sit for about an hour. If you don't have an hour, you can easily sit under your soft bonnet dryer for about 15 minutes. After rinsing out the mask treatment with cold water, I'm going to use the 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh conditioner as my leave-in. I like to take a generous amount and start at my ends and work my way up to the roots. I like to start at my ends because it's the older part of my hair, so I pay a lot of attention to make sure that they're nice and conditioned and have lots of moisture. This is important to help retain your hair growth. Now for the final step in my wash day regimen, it's time to seal in all that moisture that I just restored. Using the growth oil by the main choice, I'm going to apply a generous amount to the palm of my hand, then massage my hands together and coat my hair strands with the oil. After completing these steps, my hair feels so moisturized. It's nice, soft, and easy to manage. If you also want to see the steps that I took to style my hair, check out my next video with the link in the description box below. I'll also leave all of the details regarding the products that I used in this video, as well as how you can purchase these items for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.